This is your 3-tier universal cart. It has a removable caddy. It has a little adjustable hanger on the side as a hanging bar, as well as a side basket. This is how you get organized. And then you can be on the go if you want, because they have caster wheels. They're about 2.5 inches high, 16.5 inches wide, 13 inches deep. And here are some uses that I'm thinking for. Kitchen, laundry room, dorm bathroom, craft room, storage for your cleaning supplies. We have a lot of ideas for you here, but they're on the little caster wheels. You can lock 2 of them. And we've got some great prices for you for less than $40. This is great colors for you, excuse me, not prices. Well, it is a great price, but this color is graphite. We have white linen, although it is more of like a stark white. I think linen and I think kind of buttery color, but no, it's a stark white. This color is called rose water. That would actually match back to our today's special value sheets, just saying. Green tea, that's pretty. And then finally, seaport teal. And then you can take, this is the little removable tray that's on top. You can take this wherever you need to go. Look at all the little snacks that you can take with you. V85412 is your item number. Again, this is seaport teal, green tea, rose water, white linen, and finally graphite. V85412 is your item number. A charge on a credit card of $13.33. They are on their way to you. Jennifer Kovich is here. She brings us elegant food and really great organization. It is so good to see you.
So good to see you too. How fun is this product? I absolutely love this. So we've had a lot of fun with it personally in our home, because we thought, okay, we're gonna definitely use this for the office, but then we end up finding there are so many other uses for this. Getting all 3 of those tiers, that removable caddy just makes this very, very versatile. So I want you to really think about all the spaces where you need a little more organization. If
everywhere.
Exactly.
Everywhere in my
if
life.
You're feeling very overwhelmed.
I need this here in the studio for all of my makeup and hair stuff.
I love it. So notice here, I just turned this around because we give you that helper handle to kind of help you push this around. Notice we're able to turn this 360 degrees with ease. We give you 4 of those casters, 2 that are free and 2 that are locking as well. So it's a really simple concept. We give you this extension towel bar here. Again, it's all optional, because when you get this at home, there is some assembly. Very simple, no hardware, no tools required for this. You're just simply putting pieces together. But what makes this brilliant is this is fully removable. I also have not only the removable caddy on top, but I have the adjustable bin here as well.
Oh, that's great.
So if it's your makeup brushes that you see here, maybe it's your favorite lip glosses because that's what you're reaching for all the time, and your favorite hand lotion, this is perfect.
And if you see here, like the different shelves have holes in them. So if you did get something wet here, like maybe you wanted to have all of your cleaning supplies and there's wet sponges on here, they're gonna dry through that, which is really nice.
Absolutely.
Can you have these outside?
Yeah, well, you know, really this is more for indoor use, honestly, but I will tell you that we took it out to our patio for this. We had an outdoor family movie night in the fall, and we loved it. And we're like, well, where are we going to put all of our snacks and get them out there with ease? This is exactly what we did.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Loved
so just bring it in with you at the end of the night. If you're
the end
having
of the night.
barbecues, you could put all of your condiments on this and take it outside and be able to move it from table to table. I'm really thinking of it for we have like an office / craft room. And if you wanted to be able to take what you need where you're going, you have this little, I mean, it can sit here as an organization tool, but then you can also pick it up and take it with you if you want to. So this is the green tea. Here we have, what is this one called? Seaport teal, I think. Seaport teal, green tea. This color is called rose water. Everybody is jumping right on the white linen. And then we also have it available in graphite. It's a charge on a credit card of $13.33. It's on its way to you. You get to pay that off over time. If you don't love it, you can return it. Minimal assembly required, a little bit of assembly, but then you get to adjust it and customize it.
Exactly, absolutely, and this is what we love. Remember I said at the beginning, we use it in our office, so this is exactly what we use it for. The glue sticks, the glue gun, the paper clips, the binder clips, the staplers, the tape dispenser. Having this where we put all the printer paper here, and then I have all my large manila envelopes on the bottom, and then I can kind of separate them. I even have my boxes of labels here as well, so that way they're ready to go for that label maker.
I love that.
It's just easy.
And then all the
that
pens.
way,
This is what I would do.
Exactly.
All the pens,
And the
highlighters.
scissors, because it's all the things that we need every single day in our home for us. It's the things that we reach for. So when my boys come home from school, one of them happens to go to a STEM academy, so he's constantly constructing, designing, getting involved in engineering.
That's awesome.
So when he gets home, he's having to make a model of something. So
Right.
we still have tons of arts and crafts goods. That way he can easily get to what he needs to get his homework done more efficiently.
Right.
This is perfect for that. I highly encourage you to even think the garage. Where are you putting your car cleaning kit? So then you could take that caddy with you right to the car. You
Gardening
can wipe things
goods.
down. Gardening goods, I love that.
Yeah,
yes.
like the gloves and the fertilizer
Right.
and everything that you need there. Well, you get the first look. This is the launch of our big deal. You're getting it home for less than $14 on a credit card, on sale for less than $40. This is that's the white linen, but it is just like a stark white, don't you think?
Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
And then here we have graphite. This color is called rose water. We have green tea, and finally Seaport teal. V85412 is your item number. Thank you so much. So good to see you.
Terry. Thank you.
All right, coming up in a little bit. If you would